proper riding position. Arms at a 90-degree angle. Okay? Now on a roll, you...
What's up guys, it's Handykid. So today I'll be riding my upgraded bike on the track.
What kind of bike do you have now?
CRF 70F.
70F. So you moved up from the 50. You're starting to grow. I don't know where you're going. You're like a mango tree. Just keep getting taller and taller. Definitely didn't get your height from me. All right, so this is a track you're gonna be riding on. We haven't been on this one in a while, so hopefully you're excited. You excited for it?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, hit the track.
You don't really have to do anything. It's just you're just gonna go over it.
Every time I go over it, like I think it's my engine touches it.
I know, but I'm gonna go faster so you can go ride a little more, warm up a little bit more. Yeah, let him get a little more warmed up, and then I'll take him at the speed to where he can jump it. I mean, it's not hard.
Right.
And it's small enough. Ready? Yeah, you're gonna do this one second gear, okay?
For some reason, every time I go over one, like something touches it on there.
Because you didn't clear it. Here, come this way, turn around. That's the proper riding position. Arms at a 90-degree angle. Okay? Now on a roll, you go ahead and go over there. Here's me, and you should just clear right over it. Keep the bike down. You don't want to lean too far forward, too far back. Just stay right over the top of the bike. Alright? He's casing it every time?
Yeah.
All right. Ooh. Nice. Come here. This one, try hitting it. Second gear, going a little faster. You're gonna, when you hit the jump, I want you to sit down when you hit it. Just till you hit it. As soon as you hit it, then stand up. That's gonna give the back of the bike a little bit of spring to where you preload and go over it. So, just here, go back around and then I'll set the speed again.
First, yeah, when he was behind you, he got it.
Well, then he stood up.
He stood up.
He didn't do the same thing. Do what I told you. Now go. Sit.
There you go. Yeah.
Getting it. That one's going to bite him right there. One more time and come back here. Because that one shoots you up in the air. Like
yeah.
That one you gotta, even I get squirrely on that one sometimes. It's the way it is.
Come here.
Alright. Now you're trying to jump, that one. That one coming back this way, the step up. Yeah, now that one have to do second, but you're gonna have to go faster. And you have to yank the bike up. You have to pull up to get over that. You see how you almost crashed on it? Mm-hmm. It's because you're jumping and you're going right into the landing that you're going like this instead of going over and coming down. You want it to be smooth to where you come up and over, but you have to be going fast enough. You have to be ready for what the bike is gonna do when you hit that lip at that speed, because it's gonna buck a little bit. So you have to learn. You're gonna have to counter it. You're gonna have to shift your weight to get the bike oriented in the air how you want it for the landing. So, and ideally, if the hill is like this, you're gonna want the bike to come down at the same angle as the hill. You don't want to land like you see me sometimes flail and I'll land on the back tire like this. That's not the right way. You want to go like this and like this. When you sit down like that and you hit the jump, it pushes the spring of the bike down. And then when you stand up and get to the top, it lifts it. And that gives the back tire enough lift to where you get over it. You feel how smooth it is when you get it right?
Yeah.
You don't even feel like you jumped. You feel like you were just rolling, right?
Yeah.
So, go ahead. Go ahead.
So we just got back from riding, and it ends like my bike is broken. I think what I did, I was coming up the double, I jumped straight over it, and posh. I think that's what messed it up. Do you think so?
Yeah, it might be. I think you might need to get your spark plugs changed.
How could it be the spark plug?
It was very dirty. I don't know. We'll figure it out.
Probably.
You hungry?
Nah.
You thirsty?
No. I drank like 4 bottles of water yesterday. What do you mean?
Yesterday doesn't count for today.
Remember to subscribe if you haven't already done so. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers and 1,400 views.
Why 1,400 views? Why wouldn't you want more?
Isn't that the requirement for the...
No, 4,000 watch hours.
Oh, 4,000 watch hours. Because I need some paychecks.
You need some paychecks? What are you gonna do with all that money?
Buy a phone.
Oh boy, oh boy. You keep breaking those phones, you're not gonna get anything.
Well, at least it's my money, not yours.
Okay. Well, ask your subscribers to help you out with that.
Help me, please. I'm begging you. Help me. Alright, guys. It was a fun day riding, and cut. See you later.